360 degrees round trip roller ball shoe sole cleaner. 360 degrees deep friction cleaning without dead ends. Manual automatic integration with panel control. Microwave induction start. The machine stops automatically when people leave. The body is made of 304 stainless steel, and the brush is blended with the imported DuPont nylon and new materials developed by the company with strong durability. 1-year warranty for the whole machine. The dirt suction device can remove sediment thoroughly and quickly. Automatic water feed, automatic water change, automatic sewage discharge. It's convenient to replace the consumables without special treatment. You're an excellent helper for ground cleaning.